Habayde perkecing syak kawang petrabam haki kato ke ni teliki JAKA jong kenong ba Shillong. Haki JAKA terikam jong ketenot sorkar nakaliang Deputy Commissioner jong ke Khasi District SC Sadu hakajengi kendo bat kilar patai Khubor mentah kasih kasih terik ujemang. Ulaong ba nakaliang Khubor District kin Pynkhlaiñ no ya Bor Pahara kamtam haki Khubor menmet. Kate kejingkeren jong edisi kade Hadien kejing nyashong perkhat padu SP Khasi District hakamet beladap. Ula patharu shabaro kisnat rekam jangka sarkar bagian bo TIAR gitar kamtam kikali pat kiwe haki JAKA Bym Shngaiñ.
Also was discussed last night only with SP. So we are in fact improving strengthening the entire security arrangement during night time, and SP has prepared a contingent plan on this. So by today evening we are discussing with SP and we are discussing on what action we have to initiate, and in terms of identifying the culprits who are perpetuating this kind of attacks, and we will update again this evening.
So we
have taken for this government properties and particularly for government in the vehicles, we have informed all line department to keep their vehicles and the property in a secured way, particularly not to keep in open areas, particularly vehicles. And all these government properties from last night onwards, all these government properties, particularly police stations, where we have strengthened the security arrangements there. So we are hopeful that in the next 1 or 2 days we can stabilize things, particularly with regard to law and order.